All right, guys, welcome to Smokestack Joe's. I am a professional backyard barbecuer, and I help teach new backyard barbecuers how to make barbecue simple and easy. I also like doing gear and product reviews, and I do grill reviews as well, so you don't waste your money on unnecessary gear, and I help you find the best grill that you need. And that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna be doing my 1-year review on the Z-Grill 700 2C 2E pellet grill. Also, I think this is the best pellet grill you're gonna get under 800 bucks. All right, so before we get outside and check out this grill, let me just talk about a few things I like about this grill and some things I don't like, and there's not much. First, I've had 3 total different Z grills. They all have been phenomenal, but the latest one that I have now is great. And the main reason I really love it is because it has Wi-Fi, and you can connect to your grill through your phone anywhere you have internet. So you could be at the store, it doesn't matter. As long as you have internet connection, you can see your grill. You just have to tie the grill into your home Wi-Fi, which is super easy. So it's got 2 temperature probes that you can connect and put in your meat, and it'll monitor internal temperature. So now you can monitor the temperature of your grill and internal meat temperature, all wirelessly from your phone anywhere you have internet. So with that, you can really get rid of any other wireless meat thermometers you have to monitor meat, because you can do ambient temp and internal temp right from your phone. You can also adjust the grill from your phone, which is awesome. So that's the main reason I love this grill, but it's also super durable, and I haven't had any issues with it at all. Some things I would like to talk about on the grill. The first thing is the grill cover that it comes with if you get it. If you have your grill outside in the sun, the grill cover does take a little bit of sun damage over time, and it becomes very brittle, and it can tend to rip a lot more easily after it's been sitting out in the sun for a while. But other than that, it's great. And you're gonna need the grill cover, because if you leave it out in the rain without a grill cover, water can get into the hopper, and it's gonna soak your pellets up, and it's gonna clog your auger chute, and then you're going to be in a world of mess. Because if the pellets in the auger get wet and swell up, they basically turn into concrete, and you have to disassemble the whole hopper, clean it out. It's very difficult to do. Ask me how I know. But you're gonna get that mainly with any pellet grill. You don't want those pellets getting wet. So with all the different pellet grills out there, some can be super expensive, but if you're looking for a budget one under $800, this 700 2C 2E Wi-Fi model pellet grill is great. And they also have some other fantastic options on their website. I will leave a link below if you are interested in the Z grills, and I think they have some sort of promotion going on right now as I'm filming this video, where if you buy one of their grills, you can use that money in 5 years to either upgrade or get a new grill. So say you did buy an $800 grill from them, in 5 years, you can either get another $800 grill with that, or if you want to upgrade, you just pay the difference between the 800 and the upgrade, and obviously you're probably gonna have to pay shipping and handling, but I believe they do have that deal going on, so check them out. I use Z-Grills all the time in my videos, and I absolutely love it. It's got a nice big hopper you can fill with plenty of pellets. I've done overnight brisket on it with 1 hopper full of pellets, so it's got plenty of pellets to do any sort of long cook you're looking for. I also love doing chicken wings on this grill, because you can bump the temperature up to 450 degrees. It'll actually go higher than that, but I cook my wings at 450, and you get super crispy skin. I got a video on how to make the best crispy smoked chicken wings. I will leave a link to that at the end of this video if you're interested. But I got some ribs on my grill outside, so let's go out now, check out how this grill's doing after 1 year, and talk a little bit more about it. All right, guys, so here we are at the 700 2C 2E Z-Grills pellet grill. See, it's a year old. It has a little tarnishing on it, not bad for a year old. The cover really helps keep it nice. You can see the controller over here, and these are the 2 ports where you're gonna have your temperature probes to be able to plug in. Also, if you can see here, it's got a little viewing window for your pellets, which is nice. And on the back side, it's also got a chute where you can dump all your pellets out and change out your pellets if you have a different flavor you want to try. And this model doesn't have the cabinet underneath. They do sell models that have an underneath cabinet if you're looking for something like that, but I haven't had the need to have the underneath cabinet. I've got a few grills around here, so I got plenty of storage space. But I've got ribs cooking on here now. I've set this to 225, and it stays rock solid at 225. Every time I cook something on this grill, it's always super steady. Doesn't fluctuate in temperature at all. It is such a fantastic grill. And you can see here, I've got a rack of St. Louis ribs and baby back ribs with plenty of room in here. There's also a little shelf that goes up on top here. It's about half the width of the bottom grill grate. I really don't use that much. But space-wise, you have a ton of room in here. I've done brisket, pork butt, like I said, chicken wings. It has had room for absolutely everything. All right, but let me bring up the app so we can check it out. I'll show you how cool it is. So here is the app here. You can see current temp at 201. That's because I just had the lid open. And if you had internal temperature probes, you'd be able to see down here P1 and P2 what your internal meat is. But as you can see here, target temp, I could slide this up. Say I want to bump this up to 250 right now. Now, if I look here on my screen, I could see that temperature has gone up to 250 right from my phone. So you can adjust temperatures based on what your internal meat temperature. Say you're out at the store, you see your meat's getting a little hot, you want to cut down that temperature a little bit, you could do it right from your phone. This is an awesome model for a pellet grill. Under 800 bucks, you're really not going to beat it. So like I said, I will have a link down below if you're interested in one of these Z-Grills pellet grills. And if you end up getting one of these, be sure to check out all my recipes I do on the Z-Grills. There's some amazing ones. Like I said, that chicken wing one, I will leave at the end of this video. So I can't recommend Z-Grills enough. It is one of my favorite grills. I use it nonstop all the time. It's great for ribs, super simple to cook on this. So if you're new to backyard barbecue, this would be a great grill for you to start cooking on. It takes the guesswork out of barbecue. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And if you want to see that delicious chicken wing recipe video, I got you right over here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below and I'll try and get back to you.